A nice warm Wednesday afternoon, now evening. There's the view from the Charlottesville camera, and other than some high cirrus clouds out there, it is a clear picture and certainly a much warmer day than we've seen in quite a while. Matter of fact, we have to go all the way back to May the 4th was the last time we had widespread 80s across the region. Let's take a look at our numbers. Currently at the Charlottesville-Albemarle Airport, 82 degrees, made it up to a high of 85 this afternoon. Currently in the Shenandoah Valley, lots of bright clear skies. 81 is the current number. And take a look at some other readings. We've got 80 in Palmyra, 84 in Orange. We've got 80 in Madison, and some upper 70s to lower 80s across Augusta and Rockingham counties. Temperatures here overnight will be comfortable. The air mass is dry, so we'll cool it down. Most of us will be in the low to middle 50s. This morning, most of us were in the 50s. There were some 40s to start early this morning. Temperatures tomorrow afternoon will tack on a few more degrees, so most locations in the upper 80s across central Virginia. Wouldn't rule out a 90-degree reading, but primarily in the upper 80s, some middle 80s in the Shenandoah Valley with a lot of sunshine. So we continue with that trend of warm temperatures. Temperatures tomorrow mid to upper 80s, maybe a degree or two less on Friday just with a wind shift, but it looks like if it doesn't happen tomorrow, it doesn't happen on Friday, it'll certainly happen this weekend that we touch or go above 90. And climatologically, it's usually late May that occurs across central Virginia, early June for the Shenandoah Valley, and those morning lows will come up as well. The only drawback to all this is it's been a dry stretch. Last week we were cool and it was relatively dry. This week we heat up, but it's still relatively dry. And so far this month of May, we've seen less than half an inch at the airport, so a current average to date would be just over 2.5 inches, so we have a current deficit of just over 2 inches. Things are quiet on NBC29's Doppler radar network, and we widen out the view. We have a surface area of high pressure and then high pressure aloft, and that's basically keeping much of the eastern seaboard pretty dry. You'll notice the movement of the clouds and the precipitation. It's well to our west, and unfortunately, areas like East Texas and Louisiana have been hard hit the last several days with not only severe storms but also flash flooding. And again, that storm track is taking most of the storms well to our west and right across the midsection of the country. Much warmer here in the east as a ridge continues to build. That'll promote the warmth right through the weekend. It looks like as we get into Monday of next week, that'll be at least an opportunity with a front nearby to trigger maybe some widespread showers and a few storms. Temperatures tomorrow morning start in the 50s. Tomorrow afternoon, mid to upper 80s across the region. We'll start either side of 60 here early Friday, and then Friday afternoon, similar temperatures. Most of us will be in the mid to upper 80s for highs. So tonight, mostly clear, some patchy fog, but comfortable. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. We're getting a summer preview minus the high humidity that we deal with during the summer season. Only drawback, of course, just a dry stretch of weather that continues. It looks like maybe as we get into Monday, we'll have a chance of a few showers and storms. And of course, final exercises this weekend at UVA. It will be toasty.
But dry.
Dry. Okay.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you. We will be right